just got his new car.
It's actually disgusting. We had to get the red guts. The red guts are fire. It sounds crazy to say out loud. Since 2020, I've for sure made over $1 million from EcoShield. It's right around 130. We're at like 120 bucks profit-ish. It is currently 8:41 a.m. on Friday. We have a very exciting day. We're gonna be following your boy around. Honestly, today's gonna be a pretty normal day, except we are gonna go pick up my new car I'm getting. So obviously, I had to plan something a little exciting for today. But yeah, it's a pretty standard day. Kind of a day in the life. Lately, the first thing I've been doing when I wake up, which if you guys saw me a couple weeks ago, I made a YouTube video about a dropshipping store. It's actually low-key been popping off. So I kind of now just start my mornings every morning, checking my ads, making sure my store is good. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. Then we're gonna get ready. We're gonna go pick up the car, go to lunch, show you kind of some meetings and stuff I have. Yeah, that's kind of gonna be a majority of the day. So honestly, we just missed it. Now, I'm no guru, okay, but it's 8:43 a.m. We're already at $122 worth of sales. So, it's 9 a.m. and that's already paid for our coffee for the day. So, let's get in the day. I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna go pick up the car. We're gonna go get some lunch. I got some meetings and stuff. I'll talk a little bit about what I do and kind of how I've been blessed enough to, make the money I make and do what I do. And yeah, it's gonna be an amazing day, so let's go get ready. We just pulled up to the lot. We gotta do some paperwork. Gotta go give out all my information, go destroy my credit score, and then hopefully we're gonna be driving off in the new whip and we're gonna say goodbye to the Tesla. So this is officially the last time I've driven this thing. It is kind of sad. I did love this thing. It's expensive, bro. And it's quality isn't there. And also, for example, okay, my mom has a Model Y Tesla. Super nice, 2023. She paid probably like what, $55,000 for it. This was like almost triple that. The technology difference, the performance difference, the quality difference is not triple the price, or it's not triple that of the Model Y. So we're gonna switch it up. Let's go. Very fun though. Bought it. All right, we just got the new whip. The Tesla's officially gone. Here, we'll drive by, say goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Tesla, it's been real. So we just picked it up. It's a Range Rover Sport. It's actually a 2022. It's slightly used. I've learned a lot growing up, and I've learned that it is probably the dumbest thing ever to buy a brand new expensive car. So I bought this one lightly used, but it's freaking dope. It's actually disgusting. You guys can see here, had to get the red guts. The red guts are fire. My biggest thing with the Tesla is it was awesome, but for the price I was paying, it just didn't feel like luxurious. But you get in this thing and you just feel like a gangster, low key, especially with the red guts. It's already a little messy because I had to grab all the shit out of my Tesla. But the other thing why I got this one specifically, low key, I don't like the new body styles of the 2023s. I like this body style better, and look at that. That's literally as clean as it gets. The black wheels, the red brake calipers. We'll do a full car tour soon. I low-key just spent way too long at the dealership. It's already 12:30, but we're gonna go get a quick lunch, and then I have some calls. I had to reschedule one because I'm running late, but we got some calls this afternoon, got some work to do. It's a beautiful day. Happy Friday. Oh! All right, let's continue. All right, we're gonna go home real quick. We're gonna go get some food real quick and then continue on with our day. We'll do a little store update too. So as I was closing on the car, again, I'm not like Mr. Dropshipping Guru, but I'm making like an extra $100 to $200 a day. It's kind of like a joke that I started as a YouTube video. You can see so far today, 6 sales, $240 of revenue. So, today is actually probably gonna be a decent day on there too. So it's a good Friday. Let's go get some lunch. Let's get after it. All right, y'all, we just got back to the crib. Really quick, we had to let the dog out. Stopped here really quick to let her out, and then I have to check my ads really quick, make sure they're good, and then we're gonna go get lunch really quick, and then I have, like I said, quite a few meetings I have to do. I'm running kind of behind. The dealership took way longer than I thought, but the car is freaking dope, so I'm super pumped about it. So my store is doing good today. You can see it's right around 130. We're at like 120 bucks profit-ish. So our numbers, metrics, all that looks pretty good. So I might bump the budget. I don't know yet. I'm gonna let it play out for a little bit. Maybe after lunch I will. I asked my Instagram to ask me a bunch of questions, so I'll answer a couple of those at lunch. I think it'll answer maybe a lot of your guys' questions about what I do, all that sort of thing. It's been a good day so far. A lot of stuff going on, but we gotta keep going. All right, gang, we're at lunch out here. It's a beautiful day. It's getting a little hot in Arizona, but we're making it work. So we're gonna answer some questions because I think a lot of people are confused about what I do, how often I do it, and all that stuff, and also just some life stuff. So what's the 5-10 year plan? What's it going to take to elevate you there? I think for me right now, my 5 to 10 year plan with where I'm at working, I just wanna buy one house a year. If I buy one piece of real estate a year, by the time I'm 30, theoretically, I should have a lot of equity, a lot of money in real estate, and then by then, hopefully by the time I'm 30, I'll be done. So that's kind of the 5 to 10 year plan. Just keep doing what I'm doing, honestly, and just invest. So by the time I'm 30, I'm done. What is your favorite part of your job? So this is a good question. A lot of you guys, if you don't know, I sell pest control door to door during the summer. So I only work from May to August. Now granted, I bust my ass from May to August, work crazy hour weeks, but my favorite part of the job is probably the time freedom I have from September to April. I legit don't have anything to do. I just take calls here and there, but I'm totally free to do whatever, whenever I want. Obviously the money and the financial freedom is really awesome, but the time freedom is insane. So that is my favorite part, tied with the fact that I'm in a job where I don't have a cap on how much money I can make. I can make $20 million this summer, theoretically. There's no income, there's no cap. It's all up to me on how hard I work. So for me, that's probably by far my favorite part about the job. What is EcoShield? Yeah, we're a pest control company. We hire sales reps and then we go out and we knock doors during the summer. If you guys see on TikTok and Instagram of people, you know, doing summer sales and they say they make these crazy amounts of money, they're not lying. It's true, it's real. It's not easy, but it works. How do you find energy when there's none to be found? What does that even mean? I guess for me, I just am really naturally hungry and ambitious, so I just always want to get after it. And I also fiend on like feeling like I'm outworking people. Like that fires me up, you know? Will you hire me? I'm not sure I have the experience required. It's a good question. I will hire you as long as you're not an idiot and you can work hard. I didn't have any experience when I first started with EcoShield. Brother recruited me. 0 sales experience, just I was a freshman in college. COVID hit, I had nothing better to do. My girlfriend was from Minnesota. I decided why not, took a chance on myself, learned a high value skill, and ever since my life has changed. So yes, if you guys are interested, shoot me a DM. We can definitely set up an interview. What do you do outside of YouTube? Outside of work and YouTube, honestly, my favorite thing to do, I love to golf. I like to play Warzone with my friends. Shout out Warzone Warriors, my boys. And honestly, I just like to hang out. I love to travel. I love to hang out with my friends. I love to have a good time. But yeah, I just try to have fun outside of YouTube. When did you find out you had motion, twin? I don't know what that means exactly. I don't know if that's slang or what that means, but how much money have you made with EcoShield? I guess a basis number is what sounds crazy to say out loud. Since 2020, I've for sure made over $1 million from EcoShield. I've been paid out well over $1 million, which is insane. It still freaking blows my mind. That is gonna wrap up our beautiful Q&A. We're gonna get some lunch. We kind of gotta hurry. We got some calls set up, but so far, it's been a great day. All right, gang. So we just got home. Now it's about 3:15. I have some calls. I have 2 calls, one at 3:45, one at 4:30. They're just hiring calls, so I gotta kind of just go through the ins and outs of EcoShield, and then if it goes well, we'll send these guys new hire paperwork, get them signed, start to get them trained, and then after that, we're gonna hang out. I got to edit some videos, and then we're gonna go out to dinner tonight, and it should be a good night. So also, for you guys who don't notice, like I said, I'm not like a drop shipper. I'm not like an online internet money kid. You know, how I bought my houses, now my cars, stuff like that. It's from sales. That is the main way that I've kind of made my money and been able to kind of do what I've done the past couple years. It's pretty crazy. It's not from drop shipping or like the internet stuff. I'm kind of just now getting into that and I want to explore more into that, but it's kind of a hobby, like a side thing at this point. But again, it's making $100, $200 a day. So of course, I'm gonna run with that.
Dylan, how's it going, man?
Yo, what's good, brother? How are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
Good. It's a pleasure. Need to make an educated decision on if, you know, we're a good fit for you or not this summer.
No, yeah, that sounds good. We could just breeze through this and hit the...
Just finished call number 1. Went well. Now we're on call number 2. Same type of call, just interviewing and hiring new sales talent. This is more legitimate of what my off-season days looks like. Obviously, I'm not always just out there buying Range Rovers. A lot of times I'm just sitting here taking calls, interviewing guys, and then training them so that way they can go out and sell with us this summer. So call number 2, and then we're done for the day. Friday's pretty chill today, to be honest. Also, low-key, I'm a tech nerd, and I gotta give it to myself. My setup's fire. My Zoom call set up. I got, you know, the nice monitors. I got, you know, the speakers. I got a fire setup, bro. I take pride in my setup. Information you need. That way you can kind of see, you know, what we're all about, kind of what we do, and kind of go from there, I guess.
Oh, yeah. The only question I have right now is...
Call number 2 is finished. We're done with calls for the day. And while I was on my calls, I actually got a couple orders. So this campaign has 5 conversions at an average CPA of $11. We are going to bump that budget from $75 a day up to $150. So it's 5:20 on a Friday. The workday is basically done. I got to go edit some of my YouTube video. And then I think we're going to go out for dinner tonight. And then... let's get back to work. The workday never ends when you're an entrepreneur. Alrighty, gang, so I finished up doing some work and then I had to run to my parents' house to go say what up. And go pick up something. And now it's late, it's almost 8 o'clock. And so we ended up not going out to get food tonight. Instead, we ordered some food in and it's gas. You know, we had to get some tacos, some rolled tacos, you know what I'm saying? And then of course, to follow it, we got some crumble. I am a sucker for crumble. Actually, that's one of my dream investments. One day I would love to own a crumble. We're gonna eat, we're gonna grub, and then I'm gonna get out my laptop, I'm gonna finish editing, kind of close down my ads for the store, make sure everything's good, and then we're gonna basically wrap up the day. As I grub, one thing that I wanted to talk about today that I totally forgot to, especially for the Q&A, is my goal with this YouTube channel. Now, I have always been obsessed with wanting to make YouTube videos and just have like a big channel. I feel like that's the coolest job in the world. That is my end all be all dream job. I would love to just wake up and have to, you know, be creative and make creative videos and create good content. So that is my goal with this YouTube channel. I just want to slowly build something awesome and just create entertaining videos in the finance niche. And also be original while doing it, because to be honest, a lot of like the finance YouTube space, it's just the same people saying the same stuff. It's the same things over and over, and I feel like it's just really mild right now. So, you know, I'm trying to crack my way in there a little bit. That's why I've been grinding. I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can. It's definitely way more work than I thought, but I do enjoy it. So we're gonna dig into these tacos and we're gonna keep grinding. It is currently 10:46 in the evening and we are finally wrapping up the day. Before I go to bed, I just was checking my ads, and unfortunately our last CVO campaign we left running hasn't been doing too well. I'm gonna let it go for a little bit longer and then hopefully wake up tomorrow and it's doing a little bit better. And just so you guys can see, we finished the day with around 9 orders and $362 worth of sales. Kind of a bummer, was hoping to finish a little bit better than that, but regardless, we still made around $100 profit on the day, which again, for a side hobby slash YouTube project video idea, that's not bad, I'll take it. So other than that, that was a day in the life with me. I hope you guys kind of got to see a cool perspective. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.